In the early 1900s, the Corona Typewriter Company filed a patent infringement case against the Fox Typewriter Company. The dispute centered around U.S. Patent number 1,078,079, which covered the unique folding design of the Corona No. 3 typewriter. Corona claimed that Fox Typewriter Company's portable typewriters infringed on their patent by using a similar folding mechanism for portability. Fox Typewriter Company argued that their portable typewriters had a different and unique design that did not infringe on Corona's patent. The legal proceedings began in 1915, with Corona presenting evidence of the similarities between the folding mechanisms of the two typewriters. Engineers and experts in the field testified that the similarities were too significant to be a coincidence. Fox Typewriter Company's expert witnesses argued that the folding mechanisms were fundamentally different in design and function. However, in 1917, the court ruled in favor of Corona Typewriter Company and ordered Fox to cease production and sales of their infringing models. As a result, Fox Typewriter Company eventually ceased operations in the early 1920s. On the other hand, Corona Typewriter Company thrived and later merged with L.C. Smith & Brothers Typewriter Company to form the Smith-Corona Typewriter Company in 1926.